Welcome to our channel. Please join us as we take a short trip to the Marievale Nature Reserve. Marievale is a short 82-kilometer drive from our home, traveling along the N17 and R42. According to Google, it should take us approximately 58 minutes to get there. We left home at about 5:30 in the morning and were quite excited about the trip and looking forward to a relaxing day of birding. Although it was still early, the N17 was already proving to be quite busy. We made good progress and soon reached the exit 173 on the N17 and turned off on the R42 towards Nigel. From here, it was a short trip to the turnoff to Marievale. As always, please remember to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. The entrance to Marievale is about 7 kilometers before you reach the town of Nigel. On the day of our visit, the entrance fees were 39 Rand per adult, 35 Rand per child, 35 Rand for pensioners, 26 Rand per vehicle, 58 Rand per minibus and 84 Rand per bus. Important to note that only card facilities are available. No cash is accepted. A new conference center and 2 overnight chalets have recently been built. The Jacana and Kingfisher lodges are situated on the edge of the wetlands and the views from the chalets overlook the wetlands. There are also braai facilities available outside. Each chalet has a separate toilet and bathroom, with shower and wash basin. There is a fully stocked kitchen with stove, fridge and microwave oven, and a spacious open-plan lounge dining area. There are 2 large bedrooms, each with 2 single beds. Visiting hours are from 6 in the morning until 6 in the evening. However, the office only opens at 7:30, so if you arrive at 6 o'clock in the morning, you will have to return to the office after 7:30 to pay your entrance fee. On the day of our visit, the wetlands and dams were extremely dry and there was a very strong wind blowing. Even the fish swam around with half their bodies above the water. Marievale Bird Sanctuary is one of those places where you can relax, sit in a bird hide and be at peace with water birds wading through the shallows before you. The sanctuary is built on a floodplain, about 7 kilometres to the northeast of the town of Nigel. With a total of 280 species, this interesting provincial nature reserve has the most bird species in Gauteng. The wetland is part of the Blesbokspruit, a river that never runs dry, and has been declared a wetland of international importance by UNESCO's Ramsar Convention. Marievale has also been declared an important bird area, so everyone is working hard to protect its permanent and migratory bird populations. The sanctuary is about 10 square kilometers in size and has many large, shallow water bodies with tall, sometimes dense stands of emergent vegetation. There are also large patches of grassland on the eastern edge of the sanctuary. There are several bird hides strategically placed throughout the reserve. The first hide you'll reach after entering through the main gate is the Hadida hide. The parking area is grassy and a cement pathway leads to the hide, ensuring easy accessibility. At this hide there are also toilet facilities available, which were extremely clean and neat. In the hide, the benches are fixed, but there is a space between them for wheelchair users, although leg clearance is limited. The floor is smooth and cement-based. Unfortunately, on the day of our visit, the dam in front of the hide was completely dry. We spent some time here, and although there were not many birds to be seen, we enjoyed those who came to entertain us. next hide down this road is the spoonbill hide. This is a rather small hide with a wooden floor and fixed benches. It overlooks a dam which was unfortunately also almost completely dry. Fortunately, just down the road from this hide, there was still some water flowing, and we were lucky enough to spot several birds that were new to us. If we have incorrectly identified any birds, please assist us by giving the correct information in the comments below.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm moving on. Driving in my car, the road is long and full of dust. The landscape changes around me, on and on, I feel immersed. Whatever happened to me, happened for my highest good. I read that in so many books, now it's almost understood. I'm moving on and on, on. Sweet as well, my destination. If you're looking to begin, then look no further than within. I'm satisfied with what I've got and still eager for more. The change that you've been looking for will come knock on your door. On and on, on.
Situated at the picnic spot is the Flamingo Hide, which provides a panoramic view of the dam. The hide has a cement floor and spaces between the benches are narrow. Here again the water levels were extremely low, and although we spent some time here, there were no birds on offer today. we decided to have a break and have some coffee and a light brunch at the picnic site. The picnic site consists of several picnic tables with braai facilities provided. There is also a kitchen area with wash basins available. There is an information area with a visitor's book available. Separate male and female toilet facilities are also available at the picnic area. After a delicious brunch, we carried on through the reserve. The first hide you'll encounter after entering the gate to the Northern Reserve is the marsh owl hide. This is also a rather small hide with wooden floor and fixed benches. It is the same type of hide as the spoonbill hide. It overlooks a dam which at the time of our visit was also completely dry. The next hide on this road is the duiker hide. At this hide there are also very neat and clean toilet facilities, although I would suggest you bring your own toilet paper. A neatly kept cement pathway which is walled on both sides leads down to the hide. The hide has a cement floor and smooth surface. The brick benches and viewing slots are at a comfortable height. This is also a very relaxing spot for bird watching. The hide overlooks a dam, and although this dam still had some water in it, there were not many birds to be seen. A few greater flamingos were wading in the distance. A white-throated swallow was fighting against the strong winds to stay perched on a log. On our way to the next hide, we had some great sightings of several birds. Again, if we have misidentified any birds, please correct us in the comments below. The final hide on the road through the reserve is the shell duck hide. From the parking area, a long pathway of gravel and stone leads to the hide. It also overlooks a large dam area. Regrettably, the shell duck hide has fallen into disrepair and is in very sad state. We did, however, have some nice sightings at this site. The last hide we visited was the otter hide. It is a smallish hide overlooking a body of water. A pathway of paving leads to the hide. The hide's floor is made of cement and benches are bolted to the cement floor and cannot be moved. After visiting the otter hide, it was unfortunately time for us to return home. We will certainly make a return trip to Marievale soon. Thank you for watching. Please join us again on our next adventure.